Hello everyone, welcome back to Protect Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be showing you let's say a very good feature. As you can see right now I am writing my messages, and look at the way how I'm gonna write it. Hello friends, this is me. As you can see, I am not typing all the words individually such as this, but I am just using the glide feature of the keyboard. Okay, this enables us to type fastly, and which enables us to text faster. Okay, so as you can see over here I am right now using my Gboard. Okay, so this is my Googleboard settings. First of all, for the folks who do not know about Gboard, uh, Gboard is a keyboard which was released by Google, and it's available for both the iOS and the Android devices. I should say that this is right now the best keyboard which I used. Okay, right now I'm using a Samsung phone, and I have an iPhone with me. Compared to all the three keyboards which I have used, the Google board has the best features. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you the Gboard's Play Store page. Okay, so all we have to do is that search for Gboard in the Google Play Store. We would be shown this page, and then here this is the Google board I was talking about. That's an update, so I'm going to just update it. In the meantime, I'm going to show you the screenshots of the Google board. As you can see, it enables us to type faster across 150 plus languages. There is a glide typing feature. This is what I mentioned, showed you guys. There is a few inbuilt features such as GIFs, emojis, stickers, etc. Okay, so these are the screenshots. Okay, so one more important feature which I like in Google board is the voice typing. It is enables you to type whatever you are speaking. Okay, so it helps us to, instead of sending voice messages, if you want to type something and send, it helps you a lot. But remember, this is very good for English language, and for other languages it is not that good, but okay, it's still useful. They give us good smart suggestions, and they help us with the suggestions. We are also able to customize the themes in the Gboard, but it's something which is available in all the keyboards, so it's not going to be a problem. It has a rating of 4.3 stars. Let's see how much installs does this have. It has 5 billion plus downloads. Okay, so as you can see, the Gboard's thing, the feature which I was using was the glide typing. All you have to do is that go to glide typing and enable this over here. If you enable this, you would be shown 4 options. Okay, the glide typing is what I did. Just a trial is something which you don't have to look into. Just a delete is when you type a word. For example, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna type hello world. For example, if I just press back the backspace button one time, the entire word got deleted for the world. Okay, so that was the gesture delete feature, and gesture control is to move the cursor by sliding across the spacebar. Okay, and another feature was the voice typing. Voice typing is this feature over here, which enables you to, you know, type from the voice. I mean, by using the voice, as you can use this feature by clicking on this button, right? But I have not given permission to use the voice typing, as by giving the permission, whenever you're using the keyboard, Google may be able to listen to what all you are speaking. But still, even right now, by default, if you're using your phone, Google will be listening to what and all you are doing. And if you want to delete those features, I have posted a separate video in order to how to, maintain your privacy. So I'll leave those videos link in the description and the first comment. Just go check it out. I'll pin the comment, so it will be in the first comment. Just go, please check it out. And before quitting this video, just go check the comment section. So there are a few other important videos such as a giveaway and how to earn money by not doing anything. There are a few videos like that. It will be definitely helpful for you, so please just go check it out. Okay, so guys, the thing is, as you can see, this helps us a lot. Okay, so this was what I was speaking about. I hope this video was helpful to you, and as you can see, by here we'll be able to add all the languages. In case I'm using Tamil, it's going to be, but I'm not going to use other languages, so I'm going to stick to the English. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on subscribe button, the bell button near to subscribe button. And if you guys did enjoy watching this video, do not forget to click on the thumbs up button below this video. And once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video. Until then, bye.